Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video where we're going to walk you through me dollar cost averaging into the crypto market. We had the job market data arrive and look, it's looking pretty juicy for a Fed pivot, reducing interest rates possibly as early as 17th of September. So there's a lot of volatility, a lot of opportunity in the crypto market, in my humble opinion. And I'm also going to look to reduce the amount of projects that we're invested in. So I'm going to talk you through which ones I'm going to be removing. And in next week's video, we'll talk you through what I've added in. But it's going to be pretty obvious. And we're going to dig into all that wonderful stuff. So if you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button, subscribe. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So we're going to start here. We'll have a look at coin market cap. The total market cap of crypto globally is at $3.83 trillion, up 0.35% at the time of recording, with Bitcoin at 112,745.23, up 2.08% in the past 24 hours. But there are some pretty juicy opportunities. You know, you've got Chainlink down 1.44. It just changed there. Injective 1.13. So there's some good opportunities. So let's focus on what we're going to buy first of all. So we're going to first of all look to add some Avalanche at 24.74. Let's get over to the exchange and look to do that. So we've got $122.43 in the actual account. We're going to go over to spot. We're going to go to AVAX. I don't know what's going on with this exchange today. Try that again. AVAX to USDT. And we're going to buy half. So we're going to go market. And we're going to put 50% of what we've got into AVAX. And then we're also going to look to add Injective Protocol to the mix as well. So we go over here, we're going to type in INJ. I think this one is going to do really, really well. And we're going to buy 100% of what's remaining. Click buy. There we go. If we go to our order history, we're going to add 4.8 INJ to our crypto portfolio. So just go add transaction, INJ, click on there, 4.8 we're adding. Go back over to the exchange and we added 2.4725 AVAX. So we're going to add that transaction as well, AVAN, click save. So pretty straightforward so far, and yeah, I'm quite happy with those additional projects, adding to the portfolio. If we go to the analytics, we can now see AVAX 7.47% of the portfolio, and we can see INJ is now just under the 5%. So the projects that I'm going to look to remove from this portfolio, if we actually go to a list of assets and we go through these, I'm going to look to remove Oasis, Optimism, Stacks, Internet Computer, Arbitrum, Dfinity markets, and at that point I'm going to reevaluate. So I'm going to remove those. And with all the funds that are generated from that next week, I am going to look to just reallocate and get the portfolio. If we look here, so everything is kind of around that 5% minimum range. So we're going to become more well-rounded. And obviously Chainlink, it's at 14.47. I think this one is the one that had the most conviction. We're positioned pretty well with this portfolio when it comes to Ethereum. Once Ethereum hits, its new all-time highs, we will probably look to roll out of that at some point into some of these other altcoins. But overall, I'm quite satisfied with how the portfolio is looking. I think there's some huge opportunities. But you can let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below. Are you enjoying these video series? These videos, let me know. If there's more stuff that you would like to see, do inform me in the comments below, or join the free educational Discord where we can talk about this stuff in more detail. I think that this is a really solid portfolio. If we actually go back to the actual portfolio here, we go to the dashboard. Overall, it's not really made too much money for us just yet. Overall, we're up 0.09%. That's all the whole time that we've been invested in these projects. So we are in profit, but it's nowhere near where I'm expecting it to go. If we look at the last year, we're up 408.08. Obviously, we took a hit before then. Look at the 6 months, we're up 134.27%. You look at the last 3 months, we're up 44.58%. The last month, we're up 16.28%. The last week, we're up 2.76%. The last 24 hours, we're up 2.16. So the portfolio isn't actually doing that bad, right? Across all metrics, we're actually in profit. But overall, the most important one, the whole time that we've been doing this, we're not really in huge amounts of profit just yet. But I'm expecting a bit of a turbulent kind of few weeks ahead. And with that comes opportunity in order to potentially dollar cost averaging to this portfolio. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. I treat this purely as entertainment and educational purposes only. If you follow along, you do so at your own risk. Investing in crypto is really risky. You do risk losing all of your money. So I just want to be quite clear from the get-go as to what I'm doing here. I'm just documenting the moves that I am personally making with reasonable amounts of money that people, if they wish to, could follow along, but they do so at their own risk. I'm not liable for anything that may happen or not happen when it comes to cryptocurrency, because nothing is guaranteed and you do risk losing all of your money. So more a bit of fun than anything. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, join me in the free Discord, and I'll catch you in the next one.